Hello, everybody. Michael Intravartolo, Marketing Manager of Solution Systems here. And today, you've got some Business Central questions, and we've got some answers. Let's jump right in and answer some of your questions. First question is Business Central an ERP? Business Central is absolutely an ERP. It has the capability and functionality for financial management, artificial intelligence, customer relationship management, otherwise known as CRM, human resource management, aka HR, project management, supply chain management, warehouse management, inventory, service order management, and obviously manufacturing management. All right, next up. Is Business Central a CRM? Technically, no, it is not a CRM. It does have internal CRM, which, out of the box has a lot of functionality that is good for most businesses. But if you're looking for more, you can always integrate fully with Dynamics 365 for Sales, which is Microsoft's standalone CRM product, which will give you a little bit more capability than the internal Business Central CRM. Is Business Central SaaS? Yes, Business Central has an offering that is SaaS, otherwise known as Software as a Service. Business Central also has an on-premise version that is not SaaS for organizations that are reluctant to move to the cloud for whatever reason that may be. Here's one we get a lot. Is Business Central NAV? And this can be one of those tricky Business Central questions. Business Central is actually built on the NAV platform, and it's the next upgrade after NAV 2018, technically. So the answer for this question can be both yes or no, depending on your personal preference. I believe that the answer to this question is yes. Business Central is NAV, and NAV is Business Central. Can every object in Business Central be extended? According to Microsoft, only pages with extensible properties set to true can be extended. What can Business Central do? Business Central provides you with an end-to-end view of your organization, allowing for strategic decisions to be made. Here's another question that we tend to get a lot at Solution Systems. Why Business Central? Well, organizations choose Business Central for a number of reasons, but I think that there's really three that stand out. The first reason is they want their ERP software to integrate seamlessly with all their other Microsoft software like Power BI for reporting, Excel for spreadsheets, those type of things. The second reason is the price point of the users. Currently, you can get a BC license for as low as $70 per user, and you can get a team member license, which is basically a limited license, for under $10. The third and final reason is the advanced functionality and the ability for Business Central to be either on-premise or in the cloud. It's no secret that a lot of businesses are moving to the cloud, but some have so many customizations that it really makes sense to first upgrade to Business Central version 14, where you can still keep your objects. And then after you upgrade to Business Central 14, put a plan in place to convert those modified objects into extensions/apps and slowly move into the cloud hosting of Business Central. How much is Business Central? Well, right now, as of the publishing of this video, cloud user licenses are $70 for Essentials, $100 for premium users. That is set to change, I think, at the end of March, where the price is going to increase just a little bit if you're not willing to sign a year-long contract. How should somebody learn Business Central? Well, there are many different avenues for learning Business Central. You can talk to your partner and set up training with them. You can take a few free classes on Microsoft Learn. You can view different YouTube videos, or you can actually read different documentation on, I believe it's docs.microsoft.com. In my opinion, training from your partner and utilizing Microsoft Learn's free Business Central classes should be your first two learning steps. How to update Business Central. If you're running the cloud version of Business Central, automatic updates will be applied automatically each month unless you schedule a different time otherwise. But no matter what, in cloud, the updates will be applied. If you're using Business Central on premises, a little bit different. You got to consult with your Microsoft partner as to how often you like to update and whether or not the update is useful for you. What is a Business Central tenant? A single Business Central tenant houses your information in a private database such as Azure. In a Business Central multi-tenant, your data is housed with others on the same server. So a way of looking at this is kind of like if you're a single tenant user, you live in a single family home. If you're a multi-tenant user, you live in an apartment building with a bunch of different apartments inside one building. Last but not least, what is a Business Central Sandbox? A Business Central Sandbox is a testing environment that is separate from your production environments or environment. It's commonly used to test different setups, updates, and apps. It's really for making sure things that you're changing are going to work before you put those changes into a live production environment. All right, there you have it. Those are this week's questions answered. So if you have any more questions, put them down below in the comments or reach out to us at marketing@solstice.com. Talk to you later.